Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is T. Guys, I put in the Shore plug today in the van, and I just want to show you what it was. Very simple, guys. So this is the Shore plug. I just put this up there because I put silicone on it. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it right there. I put silicone on it, just kind of stick it together right there. But it opens up, guys, right here, and I put it right next to that. It was very simple. Um, sorry. Got a good seal on it. I put that on because I put silicone and I just wanted it to stay down. Guys, inside, just want to show you real quick that the plug is right there. So there's a hole right there. And I was able to poke through that and put a drill through there and drill through it so that on the other side, then I could just center the plug on there. It was very simple. I drilled the hole through the plastic, and they actually make that little hole to bust through. So that's already there. And I was able to get my hole saw, and I just drilled through it, and I was able to run these. I got a double one for just in case. You never know, we might need it. Um, just to plug in. Obviously, if you go to a site that has electric or whatever. But guys, that's what I did today. The short plug. So it's power, and it was like I said, it was very simple. There was nothing to it. Again, there's the little hole there. So, guys, that's what I did. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. Be kind, rewind, and stay blessed. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, share if you want. Guys, thanks for always coming back and checking me out. I hope you have a great, blessed, safe weekend. See you in the next one.